Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. We begin with the latest on the stock market. The JSE index advanced by 1,166 points today, while the junior market index advanced by 15 points. The winners include Jamaica Public Service 7%, Iron Rock Insurance, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, AS Bryden & Sons Holdings, and Kingston Properties. The losers include Stanley Motor, ISP Finance Services, Trans-Jamaican Highway 8%, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and Medical Disposables and Supplies. 26 stocks closed the session at the same price they started trading. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.23. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $115.19. The pound is going for $210.63, while the euro is selling for an average $180.92. Consumer prices in Jamaica declined in February, providing some relief for households. The Statistical Institute of Jamaica STATIN says the All-Jamaica Consumer Price Index fell 0.9% during the month. The decline was driven mainly by lower food prices. The Food and Non-Alcoholic Beverages Division recorded a 2.5% decrease. That's largely due to an 11.3% fall in the index for vegetables, as well as tubers, plantains, cooking bananas, and pulses. STATIN says the drop reflected lower prices for several agricultural products, including cabbage, carrot, cucumber, sweet pepper, and tomato, as increased supplies entered the local market. However, the overall decline in prices was partly offset by a 0.2% increase in both the Housing, Water, Electricity, Gas and Other Fuels Division and the Transport Division. These increases were linked to higher electricity rates and rising petrol prices. Meanwhile, the point-to-point inflation rate measuring the change between February 2025 and February 2026 stood at 3.9%. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.